Sculpey polymer clay is smooth and pliable. It's easy to knead and yet stays firm enough for detailed work. It will remain soft and workable and will not dry out until it's baked in an oven. Oven baking cures the clay and hardens your creations. It's perfect for creating miniature sculptures, beads, and other jewelry items. But did you know you can transfer any laser jet printed image directly onto unbaked polymer forms? This process can be used to create unique polymer clay plaques with personalized silhouettes printed directly on the clay. To create the silhouette, begin with a portrait, place tracing paper over the image, and using a black marker, trace the outline of the form. Then fill it in. There's little information in an outline or silhouette, and some features may need to be adjusted in order for them to appear accurate. Then make a laser jet photocopy of the image and cut out the silhouette. Roll out the polymer clay base for the plaque. Sculpey Premo works best because it is harder, and light colors will also work better for the silhouette. The base should be about 1/4 of an inch or less. Position the image ink side down onto the clay, pressing it gently. Use a large Westcott template to cut the clay to shape. And remove any excess. Then spray the paper with water and gently rub. The paper will slowly ball up and can be wiped away. A soft brush can also be used for this process, but be careful not to disturb the image below. A ball stylus or pointed tool can be used to make shallow engravings, altering the silhouette. To finish the piece, add additional decorations and a border. There's more to explore at dickblick.com.